first track outing of the year. We're gonna test the bird, see how she does. We're still on stock motor, still fighting.
Got to blow this one up because we're getting ready to put the new one in.
Yeah, we gotta send this one out. We're gonna just keep pushing it, and then around the time my other one gets done, we're just gonna crank her. But it's a little windy today, so mind that noise.
A little windy, a little cold as well.
Cold. It's April, and we're sitting at about 49 degrees.
With the wind chill, yes.
Yeah. Last time we ran, it was like in the 80s or 90s. We're on the radial. Let's see how she does. We're on 15 PSI, so no way to put it up. We got to make it run the sheets.
Best part of the startup.
Yeah, if it tells you how cold it is, it has dropped from 180 coolant tip back down to 150 in probably, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
So,
good weather.
we'll let her get to operating temp, and we'll two-step test.
Sounding pretty healthy.
Yeah, I think she's all right. She's still dialed in, so. Okay.
Get ready to go make a hit.
We're all dialed in. I think our data log will work. That's always a real, like, 50-50 shot.
It'll probably fail as soon as you get to the lane.
Yeah, probably. Let's see what we can get on our first time back out. We're gonna get these tires warmed up, broke back in. She's booking though, we know how to drive her.
It was completely sideways.
What was the time? I didn't get a good look at it.
So, right
8.9.
out, 897 to 360 foot. That is awful.
Yeah, I know you spun the hell out of the tires.
So, we're gonna have to figure that out.
Funny looking drag strip.
Quick side mission to get some air in the radials. Who knew you had to have air in them?
The 15 might be a little low for the weather.
For a radial. That's like we're riding on a slick. So we're gonna put it to probably about 42.
Yeah, 42 and work our way down.
Yeah. We aired up a little bit. We're gonna see what we can do. I think I'm on like 22 PSI. Two-step's just a little too spicy tonight. Might try to foot brake it. See what we can get off the foot brake.
You ain't gonna be able to hook out here tonight.
We just gotta figure it out. Even slower.
Really, what was it?
60 foot.
God.
This is like street tire 60 foot.
I think you can take grub worm.
Yeah. I'm gonna probably lower tire pressure, also considering doing a foot brake run just to see what foot brake's like.
Right.
That way, because I think it's hitting off hard.
Yeah.
Still didn't check my boost. I forgot to do that again.
Very nice.
It's hard to check it when I'm having to drive the car. But yeah, let's take a little bit of air out, and then I'm gonna try to leave on foot brake. Upgrade on this thing. Got some hard pull to the left in this front caliper. All right, well, foot brake worked a little bit better. We dropped down to a 2.4 60 foot from a 2.5. But I don't know if we're gonna get that 1.8 that I used to get.
Got old Grubworm over there. Not everybody can say their home track is home to one of the fastest stick shift cars in the world.
I keep forgetting to check.
Still spun on that one, bud.
I know. That was on foot brake too. Actually, it hooked and then spun. It like felt and then it blew it back off.
Well, I can tell you that these tires ain't a bit warm or sticky. So. Tampa 700.
We're down more on air pressure, like 18, 19 pounds, somewhere in there. We're gonna try to foot brake leave again, and then hopefully it does good. And remember to check our boost, because we have not been checking our boost this whole time. I don't know what's going on. If there's any way to get a boost signal to SCT's crappy data logging service, let me know, because I'm yet to find it. Be able to dial it in. Let's say 886. Let's go. 2-1. Definitely coming down. We're chasing our fastest time tonight. I think we can get it. We're gonna do foot brake again. We added a little timing out the top, and then added a little bit of boost out the top. We'll see what happens.
Oh, he hooked.
it's only going to get warmer. So we'll be able to dial her in. We'll come back in a couple weeks. See what we can do. Our boost went, what is that? 70 pounds. There's no way.
Another bad hook.
Another bad hook. Stayed at a 2.4 but ran a 9.0. Also, my boost controller says max boost down the track was 70.3 psi.
Hold up. Yeah, I mean, you didn't see
All the boost.
You didn't see that going down the track?
Let's go.
You made 70 pounds of boost and only went a 9.0? Something went wrong.
Well, fellas, good time at the track. Did not do a good time, or we didn't get a personal best, but we did do some learning. Got some spinning action out here.
Yep.
I think we need to come back when it's warm,
Yeah.
because that was bad.
Maybe next time we come out, the Camaro will be back in action.
Yeah, we're also not no prep people.
That's
And this is a no prep track, so you're not going to have good prep out here because they run no prep events every week.
Yeah.
So I think what we'll try to do is go to a track with some prep. We have some around here that we'll go to, and then Streetcar Takeover's coming up, so we can test there because they have a testing class. But getting back in the swing of the things here for this year. Of course, hope y'all enjoyed. See you next video.